NCRT Class 6 English from Packed with the Sun Chapter 1 A Tale of Two Birds Exercise Question Answers. First question is, how did the two baby birds get separated? दोनों बर्ड कैसे एक दूसरे से अलग हो गए? बेबी बर्ड्स कैसे एक दूसरे से अलग हो गए? आंसर इज, one day there was a big storm and the wind blew down many trees, including the tall tree in which the birds lived. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. But the strong wind blew the baby birds away to the other side of the forest. Both landed at different places. This is how the two birds were separated. Second question, where did each of them find a home? दूसरा क्वेश्चन है कि दोनों को अपना घर कहाँ मिला? Answer is, one baby bird found a home near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. Third question is, what did the first bird say to the stranger? First bird ने stranger से क्या कहा? The first bird cried out to the stranger to hurry up and come quick, as there was someone under the tree. It said, come and take away his jewels and his horse in a hurry, or else he would slip away. Fourth question is, what did the second bird say to him? Second bird ने क्या कहा? The second bird welcomed the stranger in a gentle voice to the ashram and requested him to go inside and rest. He then said that the rishi would be back soon and asked him to drink some cold water and make himself comfortable. Fifth question is, how did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? ऋषि ने दोनों के डिफरेंट वे में बिहेव करने का एक्सप्लेनेशन कैसे दिया? The rishi smiled and explained the different ways in which the birds behaved by saying, after all, one is known by the company one keeps. The first bird has always heard the talk of robbers, imitates them, and talks about robbing people. The other bird repeats what he always hears and so welcomes people to the ashram. Sixth question is, which one of the following sums up the story best? And the three options are given. The right answer is second option. The line that sums up the story best is, one is known by